Good morning to all of you. I am Ujjwal Kumar and with my group partner Lakshman, we make this logbook for the NCSC project in which we mention the day by activity of our project. Our project started on 2 October 2021 and ended on 12th October 2021. So on day 1, when our teacher introduced about NCSC and gives us the sub theme and the focal theme, after that we think to take participate in this. On day 2, I select my group member, and on third day we divided the tasks into the member, and after that we decide our model of a smart motor pump. On day 4 we make our main file. On day 4 we started to making our main file, and in the 4 day we complete the work on the main file. On day 8 our work on the main file will completed. After that, on day 9 the group member collect the survey from the different sources. On day 10 we collect the survey and write it into the project file. This is our project file for the National Children's Science Congress, in which we select our focal theme of design, development and modeling for the sustainable living. Our project title is Smart Motor Pump. Our guide teacher is Swatik ma'am. This is our content for the project file, in which we mention the introduction, aim and objective, need to study, etc. This is our introduction for the National Children's Science Congress. The aim of our theme, our project, is to minimize the waterlogging problem in any city or any area. The need to study on this project is that we see that the waterlogging is a very big problem for any area. It may cause a lot of disturbance in the rainy season and even in the common day too. Hypothesis. In our project file, our project is about a simple motor in which we fix some other instrument to make it smart. So first of all we put a sensor in it and a call connector in it. If this model is installed where the waterlogging is a big issue, then we get a relief edge into this model. We put a ultrasonic sensor model in a communication box in our motor. If it is fixed during the rain season, whenever waterlogging take in a particular area, with the help of the sensor, motor get started on its own, and its outlet is connected to a tanker, and when the tanker fill up, the motor communication the communication box send a message to the control center, from where control center send a message to the driver, and driver take the tanker to the water treatment plant where water is treated, and this may also save the wastewater. This is the report of the survey which we collected from the different sources, in which the people living in the Patna think that 80% of the people living in the Patna think that waterlogging is a big problem, 5% think it is a minor problem, and 50% say nothing. And if we see it's on the Bihar level, the 40% of the people think it is a big problem, 30% say nothing, and 30% say it is a minor problem. They think on the India level, 50% think it is a minor problem, 30% think it is a big problem, and 20% say nothing. So this is an analysis of the data which we collected, and what we think the result may be is that a machine that we make is a simple solution which needed to install on the place where the waterlogging take place. Our conclusion is that if the model is installed, then it may reduce the traffic jam in the country and also in, increase safety for the small children during rain. This is our acknowledgement, and this is our reference from the different sources we take the help. Thank. Last, I want to show my model which we make for our project. It is a simple motor in which we put a sensor and a communication box, and only its outlet is connected to a motor. This is our project. Thank you.